Good dog, everyone. This is your boy Bly with IronCross Racing, coming to you from the Texas Hill Country. So today I'm out on another beautiful Sunday here in Texas. It's a nice and chilly 70 degrees. So today I decided to wake up and go to Stonehenge. So stay tuned. Yes, you heard me right. I'm riding my bike to Stonehenge. And I was really surprised to see when I Googled it on the map that Stonehenge was so close to me. I thought I would have to get on a boat or a plane or something to get there. But that's not necessarily the case. So all joking aside though, it is definitely a nice day out today. Hopefully my battery and everything will stay alive long enough to get through the grinder. What's the grinder, do you say? Well, the grinder is a section of Highway 16 just south of Kerrville that is known for chewing up bikers and spitting them out. This is very short. Probably got like 3 or 4 like really crazy hairpin turns on it, and everybody tries to hit them fast as they can go, and you get a lot of people that push themselves past their limit, and the grinder grinds them up. An example would be like this. Boop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh shit. So I'm out here riding solo. So one thing that I recommend whenever you ride your bike solo, never try to push your limits too much. Always leave a little bit in reserve. Because if something goes south, not going to be a lot of people around to aid assistance. You might be laying there a while before somebody comes along and helps you out. So if I was a Stonehenge, where would I hide? Looking for a big circle of monolithic rocks. Gotta be getting close. My druid senses are tingling. And look, it be Stonehenge. Okay, folks, that was Stonehenge in Ingram, Texas. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it was an interesting roadside attraction. It's actually a nice place to shoot some footage. So I want to thank you for joining me. This is your boy Bly with IronCross Racing. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be alerted whenever I release a new video. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace. Let's go. Guten Tag, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, and I'm coming to you on top of the Blue Lightning. What? You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.